Okay, here is a delicious Tuscan soup. You serve it with a Parmesan toast, garlic toast if you like, or just a Parmesan toast. It's really good. It's delicious. Yeah, I added some cannoli beans. You can add northern beans if you'd like, but I added cannoli beans because I like them. Any white bean will do. Or you can even add the kidney beans, which is fine as well. So, this is what I'm going. I might jar it and can it, or I might just keep it and eat it. I'm going to take some to an older friend of mine. He's elderly, and I think he'd enjoy it. He's one of the few people that took me in when I didn't have a place to stay. So, he deserves some. Alright, have a good one. Bye!